To remove the webcam, first remove the rear cover. Detach the two Torx head screws from the webcam bracket. Grasp the tab on the rear of the webcam bracket and partially pull the webcam assembly out of the unit. Detach the connector from the webcam. To fully remove the webcam from the PC. Carefully pry the webcam off of its bracket. There are a series of small guides that help to correctly align the webcam onto the webcam bracket. To replace the webcam board to the bracket, place the adhesive side of the board on the bracket, aligning the board carefully inside its guides on the bracket. There are two small holes on the webcam bracket that align over two alignment pegs on the front bezel. To replace the webcam bracket, first reattach the webcam connector to the board. Press the holes of the bracket over their alignment pegs on the front bezel. Replace the two Torx head screws to secure the webcam bracket in the PC.